My husband and I decided we wanted to come here for our vacation.
Just to shut the world out just for a few days and, come together and have that connected time was fantastic.
We have a lot of things that need to be done. We're a homeowner, so be able to use those skills on small things around and plus build a new hobby together.
It was actually, a good, working couples retreat.
We do not come from any kind of carpentry, woodworking background. I kind of gravitated towards learning to cook in the kitchen and baking and sewing from my mom, but I never really learned these kind of skills. And whereas Scott, his dad is like a financial planner, wasn't doing a lot of this stuff, so he didn't learn that either. So we both were like, let's learn some of this.
I mean, hey, here's hands-on practice. Let's do this. Let's try this. We're all, not only failing together, but succeeding together.
The teachers were fantastic at making everybody feel comfortable, regardless of like their skill level or whether they were familiar with the tools or not, or had any carpentry experience.
People helping other people out just to kind of get out of their comfort zones. You saw that happen.
Nobody's judging. It's the camaraderie and everybody's trying to help each other, making sure everybody's getting a chance on all the tools. Everybody worked well together.
And so it's such a collaborative thing just to find, something that we're at the similar skill set to kind of have that conversation and what we're going to do next.
This is going to be very helpful just for small things, putting up a shelf and things like that.
We keep talking, which class are we going to sign up for next? That connectivity was a lot of fun. I mean, we're here focused on this together.
I would say if you have an opportunity to go, just go. It might be a little out of your comfort zone, just push past it because you'll be comfortable once you get here. We hope to come back again for another class.